This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. In the last session, we were talking about basics of accounting, debit, credit, accounting cycle, journal entries, trial balance, P&L, balance sheet, identification of a P&L account, balance sheet account, further segregation from P&L, expense, income, further segregation from balance sheet, asset liability. I told you to identify certain points or work on these points at least at a basic level by taking an example. Anybody tried it?
Yes, sir, I have.
Anybody tried and you're able to understand what is happening?
Yes.
At least you got some thoughts created
Yes.
in your mind?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now what we will do is we will try to understand a few more fundamental points. Let us write something called manual accounting, and we will also write SAP accounting. When you write manual accounting, when you write SAP accounting, we need to understand what is happening between these two and how SAP accounting is more better when it compared to manual accounting. Others, those who are not talking, please keep your mics on mute. All right. Now, accounting is common everywhere, whether it is SAP, non-SAP, manual,
Yes, sir.
or it will differ
Yes, sir.
from system to system, country to country, or it will remain
No,
fixed
no.
everywhere.
It
Sure.
remains fixed everywhere.
Right? Accounting remains fixed because it is based on the logic, it is based on the formula. Now, when you're talking about manual accounting, as name itself is suggesting, it is manual accounting, meaning everything to be prepared manually.
Yes, sir.
Manual
Yes.
accounting means you need to write everything manually. Now, in your accounting, you have some flow, right? First point, you have something called
Business transaction.
business transaction. Whether it is SAP or it is manual, it is required. This is the starting point of your accounting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the starting point of your accounting and it is required irrespective of the application, whether it is SAP, non-SAP or no accounting application, it is manual. Without the transaction, nothing can be taken forward. Once this point is taken, I think someone should go on mute. One sec. Yeah. Once the business transaction is taken, next point what we will do, you will write accounting entry or journal
Journal.
entry.
Journal entry.
Journal entry to be taken, and journal entry is to be written manually in manual accounting, and journal entry to be written manually even in SAP.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
There is no way that system will write journal entry automatically, will not happen because SAP does not know accounting. SAP is not a commerce graduate to write accounting entry on its own. There should be a user who is sitting writing the journal entry in the system, debit what or credit what. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After writing the journal entry, you have other points. Like after journal entry, you will be preparing ledger
Ledger.
account, and this ledger account is prepared manually in manual accounting. The same ledger account is made automatically in SAP accounting.
Yes, sir.
In SAP, this will be manual. Sorry, in SAP, this is automatic. In manual accounting, it is to be prepared by the user manually. After ledger account, you will have to prepare trial balance.
Trial balance. Yes.
Now, trial balance in the manual accounting, we need to prepare it manually. In SAP, it is to be prepared manually or automatically you will get the trial balance.
Automatically.
You will get a trial
Automatically it will
balance
prepare it.
automatically in SAP. You don't need to put any manual intervention. Everything becomes automatic just by one click. All SAP requires is only the journal entry. Based on the journal entry, every report is automatically prepared and provided by the system. After trial balance, you will prepare P&L statement, and here also P&L statement. In manual accounting, we need to prepare the P&L statement, in short, profit and loss statement manually, identify whether we are making a profit or we are making a loss. When it comes to SAP, it is to be prepared manually or it is generated by SAP automatically.
Manually.
Automatically.
In SAP,
In these two.
Automatically.
Automatically.
right? In SAP, it is
Automatically it
automatic.
will come.
All you need is go to the screen, click on execute. You will get the P&L in fraction of seconds.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the last one,
But sir, updating of GS, is that automatically done?
these are all automatic based on the configuration, right? When you maintain the setting, according to the setting, it will pull the report automatic.
Okay.
It is all one-time setting, right?
Yeah.
Right. And finally, when it comes to balance sheet, in manual accounting, we need to prepare balance sheet manually by taking asset, liability, considering P&L, profit, loss. You need to tally the balance sheet manually. When it comes to SAP, balance sheet preparation is automatic again.
Yes, sir.
System will
Automatically.
automatically recognize all the asset, all the liability. System will automatically take a P&L result. It will ensure that it is taken into liability side. It will tally your balance sheet asset. It will tally your balance sheet liability. Meaning, if you write a journal entry, everything is happening automatically in SAP.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Here, are we supposed to put extensive effort on the accounting or basic level understanding is sufficient in SAP?
Basic level.
Basic level understanding is a sufficient reason. It is all automated in SAP. All you need to ensure is you are in a position to understand what is this report, what will come from this report, and how you need to understand the report. You do not have to sit, prepare any report. Everything is coming by default from SAP. You will get variety of reports in SAP. All you need to do is understand how each report is working, what output is coming, and how you need to understand how we need to explain the report to the user. That's it. Very simple, provided you are sticking to the basic fundamentals properly. Else, every report will create a confusion. If you are overcoming those confusions by understanding accounting fundamentals, accounting basics properly, these confusions will be completely fixed. There is no way you will be confused later on. You will have clear clarity on everything. Now here there are 2 points. If you look at these 2 points, business transaction, it is manual. Even here these are manual.
Yes, sir. Both in manual.
After that, whatever is coming in manual accounting, everywhere there is a manual intervention by the user, by the accountant. Here it is all taken care by SAP itself.
Yes, sir.
Ledger account, trial balance, P&L balance sheet are all ready to generate the reports, or these are all plug and play reports. What you need to do, or what we are referring here is, if I go to SAP system here, okay, if I come to SAP screen, on this SAP screen, first we need to understand we are referring to business transaction. Business transaction will be seen in SAP or it is seen out of SAP. Where can you see the business transaction?
Out of.
It is always out of SAP, not in SAP, out
Yes.
of SAP, right?
Yes,
Out
sir.
of
Out of
SAP.
it.
Yeah.
It is out of SAP because business transaction referring to a proof of a transaction, sale, purchase, whatever it is, you will get a proof with an approval or some evidence, some documentation out of SAP. Once the business transaction is taking place, is completed, you will start the entering the business transaction or recording this business transaction inside SAP. Meaning in SAP, practically you're starting recording the data right from business transaction or from journal entry onward.
Journal entry.
Journal entry
From
onwards.
journal entry onwards. Now, if you look at the screen, I will come to a screen. Okay, this is a screen where journal entry is created. Enter GL account posting header data. And this screen is called as SAP GUI. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is called as SAP GUI. Similarly, you will also have one more screen called as Fiori screen. If you go to Fiori screen here, let's log into Fiori. Looks like the server is slow, so it's taking time to load. When you're working on SAP S/4HANA system, understanding Fiori and ensuring that you're comfortable with Fiori is mandatory. One more point, tomorrow when you join a project, the trending point or the trending project currently in the market is public cloud for small companies. Even if you're working on any public cloud project, your work is completely on the same Fiori screen. And here, if I go to like, let me show one entry. Open this screen. Post general journal entries. This is the screen where you will be entering accounting document or journal entry in Fiori screen. Let it load. Meanwhile, let us look at this screen. This screen is related to GUI or this is related to Fiori.
This is UI.
GUI.
This is UI.
This is called as SAP GUI or SAP GUI, somebody call it as. If you are working on SAP ECC or if you are working on SAP S/4HANA system, SAP GUI remains the same. There is no change in it. It remains the same. If you are working on SAP S/4HANA system, additionally, you will have to work on this Fiori screens or Fiori application. Okay, let me duplicate this screen.
Sir, in
Refresh.
S/4HANA, hello.
While it gets loaded, we will try to understand this. To record any accounting entry, you need to understand how SAP is recognizing the journal entry, how SAP is recording the accounting entry. Here, it is all based on your company code. It is based on what?
Company code.
It is all based on company code. Company code is nothing but your business. Whatever the business you take, to do the business, are you supposed to register a name or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? You're representing a business where you will be talking, where you will be installing SAP. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yesterday, whatever we discussed is only the business. Now, what we're talking is a business where SAP to be implemented, where SAP to be used. Now, a small
Yes,
business,
sir.
will it be used? Will it be using SAP?
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
Small
sir. No, sir.
businesses
Big,
cannot use
big
SAP
company.
because SAP will cost you in crores. You'll have to invest huge amount if you wanted to bring SAP into your business. Any company will invest money only if they see that they can generate that much revenue from the business. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Company will always think on the return point of view. Return point of view means if I am investing 100 rupees, will I be able to recover this 100 rupees on my investment or not? Not like you and
Yes, sir.
me, let's say I am working in a company, my salary is 20,000 rupees. I may be spending 1 lakh rupees to purchase iPhone,
వాటర్
but
కొంచెం
company will not do like that, right?
వాటర్ ఎత్తున్నాను
Yes, sir.
అరే డబ్బావా
Right? Those who are not talking, please strictly go on mute. Please ensure your mics are on mute if you're not talking. All right. Assuming if I am working in a company wherein my salary is 20,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees, since it is my personal, I might do any XYZ things and then I will purchase an iPhone for 1 lakh rupee or Samsung Ultra phones for 1 lakh 80,000 rupees and so on. I will invest more than
Yes,
my
sir.
capability in my personal life. But will a company do it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No company will do it. What companies will do? Companies will think whether it is right for us to invest in this or not. Whether are we earning that much profit so that we can invest in this application. Whether we can plan this cost or not. Whether our budget is sufficient or not. So many points are thought through by the company management before they get into any investment, or just like that they will purchase.
No, sir. They will plan.
Right? They will have the proper planning. They will think whether it is worth using it or not. But in our personal day-to-day life, we don't even consider, right? Even if we get lost, it's okay. I just wanted to use it. But company will not think in that way, right? Now, when you're working as a consultant, you need to start thinking like a consultant. Take simple example, connect it to the point. Then practically you will understand why companies are doing like this. Because from a company point of view, every amount that they are spending, they need a valid justification, approval from the management and all. They cannot spend just like that, right? And they need to have
Yes,
the
sir.
valid justification. Why cannot you use the existing application? How better it is compared to the current application? Will it solve my problems or not? What is the guarantee? So many points they will look into it before they purchase any new application or any new tool. Now here, when you're talking about SAP, you need to ensure how accounting entry is posted. It is all posted at company code level. Company code is nothing but business. Now for you to do any business, can I just like that do business, or I need to register my business name, my company name?
You
Register.
have to register.
Registered the business.
You have to register the business name or you have to register the company name. When you're referring or when you're representing a company name, you will be registering your company name at municipality level, or city level, at state level, or at country level. At what level your company name is registered?
Country level.
Your
Country
company
level.
name is registered at country level according to Indian Companies Act. Everybody is aware of it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Indian company.
So,
Everybody is aware that according to Indian Companies Act, you have to register your company name. The name itself is telling Indian Companies Act, registered at India level,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right? It is as simple as like you're creating a Gmail ID. If you wanted to create a Gmail ID, for example, my Gmail ID is, just an example, ajay@gmail.com. Assuming I created this Gmail ID, now can you create the same Gmail ID for you also?
No, sir. It
No,
is
sir.
already exist.
No, sir.
Why? Because one account is created only by one person. Google will not allow you to create a duplicate ID, right?
Yes, sir.
If I
Yes.
say
No,
that Ajay is different, I am different, look at my both Aadhaar cards, we are different, look at my PAN card, we are different, nothing doing, you cannot prove anything. It is created one time, that's it. You cannot do anything, you cannot use the same ID for another person. Create one more ID, add Ajay1 or A1 Ajay, A2 Ajay, anything you create, but it cannot be the same which is already created. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, any company that you're registering, it has to be a unique name. When we say it has to be a unique name, same name cannot be created again. Any legal business, it is not possible. not like your regular stores where you will find same shop name here and there, but both owners are different. Those are unregistered companies, right? Where you write flex board on the painting on the walls and all. That's a different story. Don't consider those points. Consider a legal business. When you say legal business, where you are doing everything officially. Here, you are registering your company name at country level. That is what you call it as a business in a general
Yes, sir.
terminology.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
I
sir.
say that I wanted to start a new business, first I need to register my business name, my company name. You call it as a company, you call it as a business, you call it as a legal entity, all are one and the same. People call it with different names. Don't get confused because you're hearing different names. As you are stepping into SAP FICO, especially from the accounting point of view, from the business point of view, from the application point of view, there may be several names. Same terminology, but different names. Make sure, depending on the situation, depending on the other person, you are in a position to understand and then adjust accordingly. Don't think that only if I hear this name, I will understand. If you are using some other name, I'm getting confused. It is our problem, right?
Yes, sir.
This is our problem. I need to ensure, or we need to ensure, we are in a position to understand, or at least try to understand based on the situation, based on the scenario. When you're creating a document here, you need to make sure for every accounting document there is a debit, there is a credit. This is one way where you need to put. Here it is all automatic, or we need to type manually,
We need to type.
Manually.
Manual.
right? It's a manual entry, right? I need to enter what date it is. I need to enter some reference. I need to enter account number and all manual. Meaning SAP is automatically taking the debit credit accounting, or it is asking us to enter.
Asking us
It
to
is
enter.
asking us
Got
to
it.
enter.
It is asking us to enter. All right. Now, if you come to Fiori, this is the Fiori screen where you can post accounting entry. Even in Fiori, system is asking you to enter GL account, amount, debit, credit. Even in
Yes, sir.
SAP, there is no exception, right? You will find a debit credit here also, GL account here
Yes.
also.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is something which is to be entered manually, or SAP will automatically do everything,
We need to enter, man.
Yeah, we need to
right?
enter manually.
This is to be entered manually by the user. Otherwise, SAP does not know what to debit, SAP does not know what to credit, SAP does not know how much amount to be debited, SAP does not know how much amount to be credited. Someone, in short, the accounting person, accountant, or business user must enter the data based on the business transaction which is already taking place or which already took place.
Yes, sir.
Right? For example, you are trying to reimburse any one expense, any hotel bill, any taxi bill, or any business trip bill. Let's say bill amount is 1000 rupees. Now, can you tell the accountant 1000, no, it's company money only, right? You make it 10,000. Can you do it?
No, sir.
No.
You go to accountant, tell him that it's a company you're not giving from your pocket, right? You enter as 10,000 rupees, no problem. Will the accountant do that?
No.
No. Even if the accountant is doing it, it will be audited or not,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
right? When
sir.
it is audited, they will ask you for the supporting document. You entered 10,000 rupees for a reimbursement. Can you give me the supporting document for this reimbursement? Where is the reimbursement form? Who approved it? Where is the supporting original bill? If it is 1000 rupees mentioned, 10,000 is entered. Can you blame SAP? No, 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 I don't know. SAP did automatically. We are not aware of it. SAP is making mistake. Can we blame the system?
No,
No.
sir. We can't
Sir.
go.
Because here
No, sir.
purely there is a manual intervention required.
Yes.
Manual intervention is required for you to debit what account, for you to debit what amount, credit what account, credit what amount. Somebody will have to verify, validate, and then enter it. You cannot expect SAP to automatically do it. You can tell SAP to do it automatically only if it is fixed. Only if it is fixed. Still you are telling the system in this situation, please debit this account, please credit this account. That is where we call it as automatic account determination in SAP. This automatic account determination also, manually we are telling system this is the fixed account, fixed debit, fixed credit. SAP is not imagining, SAP is not assuming anything on its own. In short, whether it is a Fiori application or it is a GUI application, accounting entry, journal entry is manual or not?
Manual.
Manual.
It is manual. Clear, right? Now, after this accounting entry or journal entry, what next? Ledger account.
Ledger account.
It is next to prepare a ledger account. While you are preparing a ledger account, what is the point of preparing a ledger account? To identify what is my opening balance, what are all the transactions that I performed, and then what is my closing balance,
Yes, sir.
for which you have to look at detailed transaction report. To look at detailed transaction report, this is the screen. In this screen, you will get to know detailed transaction report. Similarly, if you go to Fiori, you will find reports here also. If I try to go to this, let's open any one report here. I will put a company code, maybe any one, and then I'll put some account, let's say, or I'll simply execute this. And then we will pick one account, and then same account data we will see from the Fiori as well. Then we will get a clarity how reports are coming. If you look at it, you are able to see the report here. These are all the detailed line item report. Line item report means every debit, every credit, whatever is posted to the respective account will be displayed here, with which you can easily find out what was my opening balance, what is my transaction, and then what is my closing balance. Opening balance
sir.
plus transaction will result to the closing balance. Now this is your detailed report wherein you will find out number of debits, number of credits, in short, number of transactions, whatever took place, you can identify from here. This is your GUI report or Fiori report.
GUI.
This is your GUI report. It's a ledger report. Did I do anything manually or report came automatically?
Report came automatically.
Automatically.
Report came automatically. I did not run, I did not calculate anything manually. Just by one click, I got all the reports. Similarly, let us go to Fiori. On Fiori, you have to put the same thing. Now on the Fiori screen, report interface is different or not? Right? I will put all accounts. I'll click on execute. If you look at this account, let's say the first one is motor car. In the motor car, what is the balance it is representing? 8,40,000. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 If you go to GUI, is this 8,40,000?
Yes, sir.
Right? On GUI, it is the same report, same output. On Fiori, it is the same report, same output. Maybe the interface is different. Otherwise, it is the same. If you wanted to come back to GUI, sorry, Fiori screen, expand the report, just click on this arrow mark. It will display why that amount is coming. Now, this is giving the detailed transactions, whatever is happening,
Yes, sir.
document by
Yes, sir.
document, amount by amount, right? Now this report is referring to line item report. Line item report is referring to every debit, every credit, whatever is posted in the account will be displayed one by one. Now I don't want a line item report. I am only interested in what is my opening balance, what is my total debit, what is my total credit, and what is my closing balance, what is my cumulative closing balance. If you wanted to find out this information, you will have to go to a different report. Now that different report will be, let's say I will go to this report. If I come to this report, this account, let me take 1110 1110 this company code for this financial year 2025. If I pull the report, you are currently on period number 7. Period number 7 is referring to July month. In July month, what is the balance? 8,40,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? In July month, nothing is posted. That is why debit is blank. Nothing is posted. That is why credit is blank. July month balance is nil because there is no debit in July. There is no credit in July. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
And then this is your closing balance, overall closing balance. For every month you have monthly closing balance. You will also have yearly closing balance, in short, cumulative balance, YTD number, year to date number. In
Yes,
accounting,
sir.
everybody is aware, balance for the month, balance year to date. Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Right. Yes, sir.
YTD number for the month number. Here, whatever you see balance, it is called for the month balance. Whatever you see cumulative balance, this is your YTD balance, year to date balance. This is on GUI or Fiori.
GUI.
This is on
GUI.
GUI. I'll copy the same account number. Let's go to Fiori. Come back. I'll go to GL reports, GL account balances. What is looking more easier, GUI or Fiori?
GUI.
GUI.
GUI, sir.
GUI, sir.
But in fact, it is Fiori which is more easier. Reason? In
No T
GUI,
code.
to come to any screen, I need to know the T code like FAGLB03. I need to type the T code, only then screen comes. If I forget the T code,
Yes, sir.
I cannot see the report in GUI. Am I correct or not? I need to apply my
Yes, sir.
memory power here.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Either
Yes,
I
sir.
need to remember or I need to write down somewhere. If I'm not remembering, if I'm not writing down anywhere, I am helpless. Either I need to ask somebody or I need to ask Google. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you're on Fiori, you don't need to ask anybody. If you're on Fiori, you don't need to ask anybody. Simply go to menu. If you go to menu, you will find all the Fiori icons. No need of any T code. You know what you
Yes, sir.
wanted to see. For example, I wanted to look at GL. Go to the menu. Everything is properly designed.
Yes, sir.
I want a GL reports. Simply, I will go to analytics for general ledger. I wanted to see GL account balances. Simply, I can click on display GL account balances. Do I need to remember
Yes, sir.
any T code for this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Now, what is more easier?
Theory on.
Theory.
Fiori or GUI?
Theory.
Theory, sir.
Fiori, right? Now look at, I wanted to identify a GL account. Let's say I wanted to find a rent account. Now again, I need to remember the rent GL number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Here I will type rent. I am getting the rent GL account from my company code, even if I type text. Yes or no?
No, sir. No, no, no.
Yes, sir.
I am typing rent here, RENTC, RENT. I am getting all the GL accounts where there is a keyword rent.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Easy for me to identify what is my account number. I don't need to remember.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? I
Yes.
wanted
Yes,
to
sir.
look at, let's say, salary. If it is there, it will come. If it is not there, it will not come. Now I'm able to get with SA whatever is created. Now on the same thing, if I go to GUI, assuming I don't know this, if I try to put rent, am I getting anything?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Here, no other go. I have to remember the number. I have to put the number. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Now you have to put
Yes.
effort to your memory, or you'll have to write down somewhere and then look at and then copy paste. Now
Yes,
here,
sir.
your normal understanding is enough. I wanted to look at so and so account. Type that keyword. You will get the account number proposed by the system. More
Yes.
easier. No need to
Yes,
put
sir.
much effort. Anybody can easily work on it. No
Yes,
need
sir.
of any
Mm.
expertise, prior experience. Nothing is required, right? If you know how to operate the system, you can easily work on it. That is why in the market, everybody talks about S4 HANA, S4 HANA, because it is more easier. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you look at your smartphone. You look at anybody, even a kid who does not know how to write ABCD will go to YouTube and then play whatever he wants. Yes or no? They don't need to
Yes,
type.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Put voice
Yes, sir.
command, tell XYZ, and then Google will, your YouTube will tell XYZ. Whatever they search, it will display.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to go to computer www.youtube.com, not required, right? And you don't need to put any website. If you open mobile phone, unlock it, you will find very big icon, red color YouTube. Click on it, YouTube is opened. Automatically it is displaying all the proposed content based on your previous historical data. Agree?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Even a person who does not know how to read, write English can use smartphone. Even a kid, you take 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, they will operate very well, better than us.
Yes. Yes, sir.
These are all similar to it. These are all similar to it. But the only point is we need to understand how exactly you need to put your effort. Meaning these are all complicated things or simplified things.
Simplified.
These are all simplified things. When these are all simplified things, you don't need to put too much effort. You don't need to take a lot of unnecessary stress, tension, right? You can easily work on it. You can easily understand it, provided you are going in the right direction, provided you are putting your effort in a
Yes, sir.
proper way. Now, in this output, you need to make sure how the out result is coming. Those who are having background noise, strictly do not unmute your mics. Otherwise, I have to mute everybody. Nobody can talk. One person is not serious about keeping your mic mute, will result everybody suffer. If you are only listening to the session, please keep your mic on mute and then listen to me. Am I clear?
Yes.
Don't be so casual, keeping your mic open and then don't listen to me. Keep your mic on mute if you're not talking. If you're talking, responding to me, respond and then go on mute immediately. Only then you unmute, else don't unmute. It is fine even if you do not respond. Am I clear for everyone? As we
Yes,
move
correct,
forward,
sir.
we need to
Yes.
make sure we are all disciplined in
Yes.
the session. Otherwise, it creates unnecessary disturbance for those who are serious about understanding, listening to what we're discussing. Unnecessary disturbances let us not create in the class just because your mic is open and then you are not aware. Let us ensure this discipline strictly let us follow. Don't allow me to repeat this again and again. Does not look good in the recorded session. For me to tell, for you to listen. Okay. Now
Okay,
here,
sir.
if you look at the GL account balances, you will find the same option here. You will get opening balance and you are getting period wise balances, and then you are getting total closing balance 8 lakh 40.
Yes,
Same
sir.
thing
I
whatever
agree.
is coming in GUI, same thing whatever is coming in S4 HANA Fiori, there is no difference except the interface,
Yes, sir. Same.
Yes, same.
because number is not getting changed. 8 lakh 40 there, 8 lakh 40 here also. The only difference is user interface. Fiori is more friendly, more faster. GUI is not so friendly, is not so faster. You'll have to type transaction code. If there is any typo mistake in the T code, it will not open. If there is huge data, it might take time. But in Fiori, even if there are 5 lakh records, 10 lakh record, you can just like that display in few minutes. But in GUI, if you have lakhs of record, it might take hours of time to display the data. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes it will not even display the data, it will give runtime error. It will say that I cannot display the output because for every program in the backend there is a timer. When we say timer, within that time, if a system is able to extract the data, submit the output, it will give. If not, it will give a message runtime error. Or you would have heard a terminology called ABAP dump. System is giving a dump.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
heard dump is coming, runtime errors are coming? These are all coming because of different reasons, technical errors. This is your balance report. In short, these two reports, whatever we have seen just now, are referring to ledger accounts, ledger
Yes,
balances,
sir. Ledger. Yes, sir. Ledger.
and we were able to look at automatically for both GUI perspective and then Fiori point of view. Next one, you have a trial balance. Next one, trial balance. If you wanted to look at the trial balance from GUI, as we are all aware, can you directly open it or you need to remember the T code?
T code.
You'll have to remember the T code. Then let us put a T code, enter. Now, as per our understanding, trial balance must become 0 or not.
Yes, sir.
Zero.
Become zero.
Right balance
It
must
has to
become.
become 0. Right? You give this parameter, which you will understand later on. Now we are only focusing on the output. I am giving the criteria to the system. Accordingly, system will give you the output. I will put 0L leading ledger. I want a trial balance, maybe for June month. Then I'll click on this, execute. I am generating a trial balance for period number 6, meaning June 2025. This is how I got the data. If I go right side, if I look at accumulated balance, is the total becoming 0 or not here?
Yes, sir. Become zero.
Yes.
0 means not just 0, it is 0.00 including a decimal. If it is representing 0.01, I will tell my TB is not correct. Agree?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Even if it shows 0.01, can we call it as TB is incorrect?
Yes, sir.
It has to be strictly 0.00 including a decimal, no round figure. No round figure, strictly with decimal, it must become 0. Now this is the trial balance from GUI point of view. Now let us go to trial balance from Fiori point of view. Come to this home screen and let me search. Now in GUI, how I was searching? Based on the transaction code for the trial
T
balance.
code. T code, sir.
Now,
Section code.
now in Fiori, I don't put any T code. I am looking for trial balance. I will search for trial balance only. Enter. When I put a trial balance, I am getting a trial balance.
Yes, sir.
Searching with T code is easy. Searching with name is easy.
Section
Which is more easy for you to open, Fiori or GUI?
Here.
Fury is very
Theory.
Fury.
All right. Open the trial balance.
But sir, in Fiori, is there any chance to get the T code if you want to know the
You can get
T
it.
code? Okay.
You'll get
Otherwise,
it.
if users are familiar with the Fiori, they may forget the transaction code, na?
You can search with that also. Whatever is GUI,
Okay.
you will put keyword as T code also.
Okay. Okay.
It comes with the name or it also comes with the T code. Both will work.
Okay.
You told me about dumps. So what it means the dumps mean?
Dump means you will get some error, right? Let's say if you are opening any website, www.google.com. If your internet is having any problem and all, page will not be open. You will tell some horse or something is running on your web page, meaning that there is a problem, technical error. Maybe your network is not stable, something like that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is similar to a dump, program related error. Maybe because of your network connection is not stable, maybe the other side server is down, anything could be the reason. There are so many reasons why you are not able to open a web page. Agree?
Yeah,
Yes.
agree, sir.
Problem may be from our side, problem may be from the other side, or there might be a total problem which we need to analyze, right? Why it is not working. That is where you will do a troubleshooting. You will check if internet is there or not. You will check if a website is correct or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is nothing but debugging. What is this called as from SAP point of view?
Debugging.
Debugging.
Debugging. Whatever you verify, if you are trying to do something, it is not working, you will do a basic troubleshooting. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This basic troubleshooting is what we call it as debugging in SAP, which is a technical task, which is a technical activity. But slowly we need to make sure you are connecting to the points in simple terminology so that you connect to the dot. What is this? If I simply make you understand debugging, debugging is a functionality, debugging is a tool, is a weapon used by the technical consultant called as ABAP. ABAP stands for XYZ. Nobody will understand this, right?
Yes, sir.
At the end of the day, to what extent you are connecting to the point, how comfortable you are with the subject, that matters. Your comfort, your understanding level is the point. How you are understanding, what example you are taking, it is immaterial. Once you are clear with the concept, by default, automatically you know how to understand, you know how to improve it. But to start, you need something with you, right? With which you feel comfortable.
Yes, sir.
If I start explaining all the technical words, tomorrow you will escape. You feel that this is very tricky. But you should ensure that though it is tricky, though it is a little tough or complicated, you are making it simplified. You're trying to connect it. That effort is what we have to put. So easily, so casually, nothing will come. We have to give our effort, we have to give our time. Otherwise, nothing will come to us. Now, in this trial balance, put your ledger, company code, something you'll put, date from here to here. I will change date probably from June month. I will take. I'll take from 1st June and then I'll take till 30th June so that I'll get last month trial balance. 30th June, okay, and then click on go. In the training environment, these applications will work slower, but in the real environment, the moment you click on go, by the time you remove your cursor from go, you will see the output. Because in the real environment, internet server is super fast, very well maintained. These are all the training
Yes, sir.
environment, right? Internet bandwidth and all are very low. So there are so many reasons why your training environment practice servers will work slow. But in the real environment, Fiori is super fast. Just click on it, you will get all the output. Now here you will get the trial balance. As we know, TB must become 0. If you go right side, TB total is becoming 0, grand total is 0. 0.00 for that matter.
Yes, sir.
Which trial balance is more easy for you to understand? GUI trial balance or Fiori trial balance? Which one?
Fiori trial balance.
Fury
This
trial.
TB is more easy to understand or this TB is more easy to understand? Obviously
we
Fiori,
understand. Yes.
right?
Fiori, sir.
And you can plug and play with it. You can add different filters the way you want, right? You can look at it in a graphical display. You can see different other points here. It is fully interactive. This report is completely interactive. And after trial balance, what next?
Profit and loss statement.
P&L statement.
P&L and balance sheet. If you want to look at P&L balance sheet, as usual in GUI, how do you go to P&L balance sheet? Directly or with the help of a T code, transaction code?
With the help of
With the help of
With the help of a T code, let me go to a T code and then open this. This is your financial statement. These are all the same terminology that we were discussing from the last couple of days. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Now everything you are now able to see in SAP.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now this is based on the configuration it will come. Just we will see the output, that's it. This is how it is representing a format, balance sheet and P&L format, and you can change the layout. If I go to ALV tree, run the report, okay. Here you can see this. You can see the balance sheet, you can see the income statement according to what is mapped. If mapping is not done, it will not come. Because as we discussed, SAP knows accounting or SAP does not know accounting.
Doesn't know.
SAP does not know accounting. That is why accountants are working, users are working in SAP,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Now here, based on the business requirement, based on the client financial statement format, we need to design the mapping. According to your mapping, automatically system will bring every number here. Now, similarly, if you go to Fiori application, this is the graphical representation. You don't need to download the data, go to Excel sheet, select the data, click on chart, graphical display and all. No need, right? Everything is coming by default. Starting balance, debit balance, credit
Yes, sir.
balance, ending balance. All are accounting terminology. SAP is also using. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any way that I say that I don't need to know accounting, I can learn SAP FICO now? You must be aware of it, at least the basics.
Yes, sir.
Rest and all is a standard in SAP, but at least those basics you should know. If I go to balance sheet, I will search with balance sheet only. Let's see. Now I'll go to balance sheet, income statement, this one. Here I am getting like this. If I put company code, this is all based on the mapping. If I try to take for period number 6, 2025, I don't do this comparison 2025. Because whenever you generate any financial statement, we all need to do the comparative financial statement. Only then you can decide whether your business is doing good or not. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes. Yes.
It is like I got second prize, but we are only two people competing. If there are only two people in the race, if I am the second prize, I'm a loser, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If
Yes.
competition is between only two members, I am the second prize. Now, if you know how many people competed, If I tell only 2 members, I am the second position. I'm a loser here, right?
Yes.
If I tell there are 100 people competed, out of 100, I am on the second position. Now I am okay,
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? For you to come to a conclusion, you need a proper information. Otherwise, your comparison is useless. Similarly, in any accounting, whenever you submit any financial statement, you need comparative. Comparative in such a way that if I am looking at this month data, I need to compare this month with last month. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Only then I will see last month I spent 100 rupees. This month I spent 120 rupees. Then I will decide why I spent 20 rupees more this month. What happened? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's say last month I received 25,000 rupees salary. This month I received only 21,000 rupees salary. Why? Last month I did not, I took 2 leaves. This month I worked every day. Still I got less salary. Why? I will question or not? It's okay,
Yes.
Sir.
something is okay, I got salary, I'm happy with it. We don't think like that, right? You will compare or not?
Yes,
Every
welcome, sir.
company, every business will compare because they wanted to improve the business by increasing the sale, increasing the asset, decreasing the liability, decreasing the expense. They will do the comparison, for which you need the comparison. That is why even in SAP you have something called reporting period plus comparison period. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Meaning slowly we need to start understanding the point. Now every point is related to accounting only. Here you will get all account, you will get to know balance sheet, you will get to know P&L. Since mapping is not done properly, you cannot see the actual figure. Once mapping is done, you can see the exact P&L, exact balance sheet. Now are all these coming automatically in SAP or anywhere we are manually interfering here?
Automatically done.
Automatically it is come in SAP.
All are coming automatic, right? Any additional effort we need to put? No, right?
No, sir.
If
No,
you
sir.
try to understand basic fundamental points properly, then if you take crystal clear examples, try to connect every point with simple terminology with which you feel comfortable, easy to understand. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
Any
sir.
Sir.
complication here?
No
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
complication.
And you're side by side looking at everything right from the journal entry until balance sheet. You have seen both GUI screen, Fiori screen side by side, parallelly at a time. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
What is looking more simple, more easier to you, GUI or Fiori?
Here is screen.
Fury is very easy, sir.
Fiori is more easier, right? Because it is
Yes.
more user friendly, more faster,
Yes, sir.
right? And in the market, when you go now, everybody will be asking for Fiori or not, S4 HANA or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Currently, people might be looking or people might be asking for public cloud project. Anybody heard public cloud?
Yes, sir. Private
No,
code
sir.
and public cloud.
Right? If
No,
somebody
sir.
is asking for public cloud, if you are comfortable, if you are okay to work on this Fiori application, if you are familiar with this Fiori application, you can easily work on public cloud. If this is not clear, public cloud is not clear. Okay? Public cloud is very simple. More than half of the configuration is predefined by SAP. Now public cloud, it is used by small companies, not big companies. When we say small companies, companies who are using a Tally, these kind of applications, right? Which company will use a Tally, big company or small company? Small medium
Small
sized
company.
Small,
company,
Small company.
small and
Small
medium
company.
right?
company.
Small and medium sized companies. For those kind of a small and medium sized companies, SAP introduced public cloud. Name itself is a public cloud. Public cloud means it is a sharing network, sharing server, shared services provided by SAP. Everybody is aware of SAS,
Sir.
not SAP, SAS, software as a
Sir. Sir.
service.
Yes.
No,
right?
sir.
Now your public cloud and all is like a software as a service. You just need to pay license fees. What we need to pay?
License.
License fee.
License or subscription. What is to be paid?
Only
Subscription.
subscription.
You have to pay subscription, not license. Okay, in the GUI, in the ECC and all, we were paying licenses. Now here you need to
Licenses.
subscription. You'll have to pay the subscription cost.
So which will be lesser
Sudden,
than license.
it will be lesser than your this one.
Okay.
You don't need to do anything. It's like plug and play. Now earlier, if you take a simple example, in olden days, maybe a couple of years ago, 5 years, 6 years ago, if anybody wants to learn SAP FICO, if anybody wants to practice SAP FICO, there was a requirement, right? You should have a laptop. It should contain minimum 250 GB hard disk. It should have a minimum 4 GB RAM. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the prerequisites are there.
Only then
Yes.
SAP can be installed on your laptop. Otherwise, your laptop cannot be installed with SAP. Everybody is aware of it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
But
It
now
is it.
nothing is required, right? You just need to install this logon pad. That's it. This will have only 1 GB.
Yes, sir.
And then it is plug and play. All you require is internet. You don't need to have any memory space on your laptop. Nothing is required. No more tension. My laptop is corrected. Again, I need to reinstall my laptop, SAP and all. Not required, right? It is
Yes,
similar
sir.
to it. It is similar to that. Meaning, when things are getting more and more simplified, we need to understand how exactly we need to work. When we
And
say how
what
exactly we
is
need to
the
work,
difference of
what should be
private cloud, sir?
what should be our approach, what should be our level of understanding, you need to have a clarity so that as we move forward, you will get to know so many practical points which are happening in the market now, with which when you go to the market, you will be updated, you will be competitive enough.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, what will happen? You will not be competitive enough. You may be talking the typical old content which nobody is comfortable with. Everybody probably looking for a candidate who can work on S4 HANA system, who can work on public cloud, whatever is the project requirement that your company is having. They will look for a candidate who is comfortable with it, who can manage with it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? And we have to be at least comfortable to say that I did not work on it, but yes, I am comfortable with it. I know what is this. At least to that extent, you should give confidence. Straight away, if you tell, no, 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 I did not work on S4 HANA, I did not work on public cloud, I don't know this, I never worked on implementation, they will tell, thank you so much, I will look for another candidate. Yes or no? Losing the opportunity,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
right? You should not lose the opportunity. When you are learning, learn it properly, or else you should not learn at all. With your learning, with your knowledge, with your understanding, when you go to the market, you should be competitive enough. Otherwise, better we don't learn SAP FICO. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you learn, you go to market, you have to be competitive enough. Otherwise, don't learn SAP FICO. Tomorrow, don't struggle because I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't know this, I never worked on it, I learned only ECC, I practiced only this topic, that topic. People are asking this, people are asking that. It is your responsibility to know what is the market expectation even before you start learning SAP FICO. Then decide whether you can put your effort or not. Not
Yes, sir.
after joining a course, not after completing the course. I am realizing now they're asking this, they're asking that. Then it is pure your mistake, your fault, not anybody's fault. You cannot blame anybody. You have to blame yourself. That I did not put any effort. I blindly practiced. I blindly attended the classes. Now this is what is happening. Your mistake, and you have to suffer for it. You have no right, no authority to blame anybody. Let it be your trainer, let it be your institute, let it be whatsoever. Because you are blindly believing in somebody, which is a big mistake. Validate, because nobody is training you for free of cost, right? Including me. Am I correct or not?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
When you are paying money and learning, validate what you are learning. If you are not able to validate what you are learning, pay 500 rupees, get it from Udemy and then learn it blindly. Nobody will be there to question. And you have nobody to ask also. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you feel interested, you watch it. But here it is not like that. You need to have a different mindset if you are paying and then learning. Otherwise, 500 rupees more than enough. That is also not required. If you ask me, go to YouTube, find out, you will get so many videos on every topic. If that is also not possible, please forget about SAP, try something else. That is the only advice that I can give you, right? If I consider you as my friend. If I consider you as my business, I will tell, no problem, you join, I will take care. You first pay fees, then I will take care. If I consider you as my business. But I don't want to take you as my business. If you are my friend, the way I suggest you, even though you are my student, in the similar way I will suggest you. Otherwise, tomorrow you will definitely realize that he made some manipulation to me. Agree? Today you may not be able to recollect or realize. Tomorrow for sure you will realize or not. Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because at that time, you will be in the real world. Today you are not in the real world. Today you are in the imagination, assumption. Somebody is telling something, you're assuming something, or you have your own imagination, or you have no imagination. You are thinking, I am joining SAP FICO, and with the training covers everything. Not like that. Once you are out in the market, you will realize what is the current situation, how everybody is suffering, how everybody is struggling, whether you will be in a position to survive in that market or not. You will see people struggling to get a job for months and years. There are literally people on SAP struggling to get a job for months and for years. Those who completed the training, those who are trying to shift their job, for different reasons, there are people who are not able to clear the interview, who are not able to get another job. There are so many reasons behind it because market is changing so differently every now and then. You are supposed to mold yourself, tune yourself, understand the knowledge in such a way in line with the current market standard so that you will be the right pick for any interviewer. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They should feel, yes, this candidate has got skill set that I am looking for. This candidate is aware of the points that we are looking for. We are comfortable with this candidate. You will be picked up. Done. That is what is your target or anything else.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is the target.
Right? Tomorrow I should not say, no, you joined only for SAP FICO, this one. In the market, if somebody is asking that, no, that is not part of my training. I don't want to say that to you. And I don't want you to face that problem. You are here with me to learn SAP FICO. And you are here to become a SAP FICO consultant. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I wanted to ensure when you go to the market, whether it is SAP FICO ECC, SAP FICO S4HANA on-premise, SAP FICO S4HANA public cloud, SAP S4HANA private cloud, no matter what. If it is SAP FICO project, if it is SAP FICO interview, I wanted to make sure you will clear the interview. You will face the interview with confidence. For that, whatever skill set is required, whatever knowledge, understanding is required, I will share it with you. I will tell you how you need to practice, prepare. And then it all depends on how serious you are, how comfortable you are. To ensure all these things, you will be in a position to adopt and then adjust accordingly. No other go. You have to put effort. You have to give your sincere hard work. Not just you, I also have to put my effort. Right? If I'm not serious about putting my effort, if I'm not serious about teaching the right content, your effort will be useless. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Because
Sir.
you will practice what I tell you, right? If you are capable enough to put your effort on your own, there is no need for you to be with me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Right? So for sure, what you practice, what you do, all this kind of thing is purely based on what I'm telling you, what I'm talking to you. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If I'm talking to you outdated content, if I'm talking to you irrelevant content, if I'm talking to you the points with which you will never get a job, with which you cannot survive in the project, will it be any useful to you to practice, to put your effort? I don't know,
No.
somebody may be practicing whole day, somebody may be practicing a night out, somebody may be canceling their different other important work, somebody may be taking a break from the career. Everybody will have different reasons, right? Maybe sacrificing certain thing, compromising certain thing, right? You have to respect it, I also have to respect it. Yes or no? If I take it light or you take it light, you are the loser.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Which
Yes.
we have to realize. In fact, you have to realize it. The moment I receive your money, I am done. I win the situation, right? I win the game. But it has to be win-win situation, right?
Yes.
I win when I get your money, but you win when you get the knowledge, when you gain the knowledge, when you get the job,
Yes, sir.
right? I need to ensure you are gaining the knowledge. I also need to ensure you are capable enough to clear the interview, get the job, manage the job with the knowledge that I am sharing with you. And you need to have confidence on it. You need to have faith on it. Only when you feel, only once you feel it, you have to take a decision to take it forward, to move forward. Okay, let me continue here to learn SAP FICO, or else there are so many places where you can learn SAP FICO. Wherever you feel comfortable, wherever you feel confident, go join there. No rule you should join with me, no rule you should join with anybody XYZ. Go anywhere. At the end, it is your career. At the end, it is your decision, your money. Tomorrow, you should be responsible for your decision. You should not blame somebody because of this happened. We are not LKG kids, we are not so and so kids. Somebody is forcing me. My father is asking me to learn SAP FICO. My mother is asking me to learn SAP FICO. My friend is asking, somebody is asking, and all. Because of that reason, anybody joining FICO here?
No, sir.
Is anybody joining because somebody forcing you to learn SAP FICO? Or
No.
majoritarily everybody on your own decision?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
On.
Almost everybody is on your own decision, right? Then you should be held responsible for your decision. Don't blame anybody later on, because it is your failure. When it is your failure, don't blame anybody. Blame yourself that I could not take a right decision. My wrong decision is to decide to get into SAP. That's it. Wrong decision. Because you don't know ABC about SAP, and then you blindly joined SAP FICO training, assuming some magic will happen. No magic will happen. There is no magic here. Magic will happen only when you put your effort. Magic will happen only when you give your sincere hard work here. Otherwise, no magic will happen. Nothing will happen. Any magic, you have to sleep and then have a good dream that you got SAP FICO interview today, and then you got selected, you got offer letter, you joined, you received your salary. Tomorrow morning, get up, forget everything. Again, next day morning, sleep, again get another dream. This is possible only in dream. To make it reality, you have to put a lot of effort.
Yeah.
And you have to realize it even before you join the training, even before you make payment to anybody, including me. Don't be with the mindset that I learn SAP FICO, I get SAP FICO job. Possible only in the dream. Only in dream it is possible. In reality, it is not possible. Unless you put sincere effort and you have right guidance. You will put effort, everybody will put effort, but what effort you are putting, how you are investing your time is also important. Am I correct?
Yes.
You'll have to do smart work. You have to be smart. Currently, the whole market is very smart, and you have to be equally smart. Yes or no?
Yes.
Outside, the market is smart, and you need to ensure you are also smart. Otherwise, you cannot. Imagine how kids are using your smartphone without knowing ABCD. Imagine how old people are using a smartphone without knowing anything. Smartness, am I correct? Are they going to school to learn ABCD, English and all to operate phone which is coming only in English? No, right? For everything there is a shortcut, for everything there is a workaround, right? How to operate, how to manage. You just need to serve the purpose. That's it. Serve the purpose. By using it, you will become expert. By using it, you will become more and more comfortable, more and more confident. But at least give a try. In such a way, you will be successful. Otherwise, leave it then and there at the beginning itself. Money is saved, time is also saved. Otherwise, money is wasted, time is also wasted. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
For anybody, it is the same. Nobody is an exception to it. Nobody is an exception to it. And we also need to understand our current level of situation, understanding on the subject as well. You'll have to consider every point before you take a decision. Don't join because I'm talking nicely. Don't join because I'm telling in a different way. Think from your perspective and then come to a conclusion, take a decision. As we discussed yesterday, you are able to see all the accounting point sequence in SAP now,
Yes, sir.
right? Feeling comfortable, or
Yes,
you feel like SAP is all about accounting or not now?
yes, sir.
In FICO, after looking at the screens today, it is all about debit, credit, accounting, TB, P&L, balance sheet, ledger account balance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
This is what we need to bring at the end from your SAP. And as a FICO consultant, you are responsible for all these things in any project. You will see, unfortunately, there are so many people in the market who say that we are SAP FICO consultant, who say we learned SAP FICO, we completed the training, we are giving interviews. Ask them trial balance. You will be surprised. They tell that, what do you mean by trial balance? People who are learning SAP FICO, people who are giving SAP FICO interviews will tell, what do you mean by trial balance? You can imagine their level of understanding on the subject, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Meaning they simply practiced only the configuration part. Am I correct? Only the technical part.
Yes.
And you ask them, have you seen trial balance in SAP? They will tell, no, I never saw the trial balance. Why we will see? It will be seen by the user. User will see this, we don't see it. This is how they will tell very confidently. What will you say for this? What is the level of understanding and knowledge on the subject? You can imagine, right?
Yes.
Right? And you need to make sure what kind of a people are there in the market with whom you are going to compete. These kind of a people are not at all competitor to you. Am I correct? War one side.
Yes, sir.
It's a one-sided game completely. And you need to compete with the people who are actually skilled on SAP FICO, who are actually working on SAP FICO. Here you will get very less competition. Here you will get very less competition. These kind of a people where you say, we say that half knowledge people, right? They know only the configuration, nothing beyond that. They are not at all competitor to you. Don't even consider them as your competitor. Even such kind of a people, 1,000 members are coming, you're only one, you will be the selected. Because nobody will blindly select any FICO consultant. Everybody will select a FICO consultant after compromising on so many points. After compromising on so many points, everybody will select. Just like that, nobody will select any FICO consultant because they know it's okay, everybody is like this only, let me take this. Let me take this person. somebody is tired of taking interview, somebody is in urgent need, they will take it. But in that situation, if they find a candidate like you who is good at understanding the subject, who is good at explaining the subject, will they lose you? Nobody will lose. You will be the first priority for them to pick. They will tell that, bring this candidate on my project. Not only they will select, they will tell, after this candidate joins, please assign this candidate to me. That is how the people will tell. Because they know this candidate has got good understanding on the subject. He or she will be very helpful in my project. All because of your subject knowledge only. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All because of your subject knowledge. There is nothing else. Nobody is your friend, nobody is your relative in the interview. When it comes to work, that's it. Friendship and all is out of the work. Otherwise, you will be gone, your friend will also be gone. Both are out of the company. When it comes to work, nobody will support you, because at the end, job is job for anybody, right? Why will I lose my job because of you? Or will you lose your job because of me? No, right? Nobody will do it. Nobody is such a great sacrificing person. Nobody is there on this world currently. So don't try to think too much. Don't be too connected to anybody. Nothing will work out. Be very practical and then work out accordingly. Your subject is your weapon. That's it. Keep it properly and then you will see the result. If you are ignoring this, then also you will see the result. One way it is a positive, other way it is a negative. Clear, right? And
Yes.
from tomorrow, what
Yes,
we
sir.
will do is we will try to understand different points on SAP, like what is GL, what is AP, what is AR, what is tax, what is asset. These points I will try to make you understand at a very high level from tomorrow onward, so that you will practically connect how SAP FICO is designed, what we need to understand, how your work will be in a project. These points will give you a little more broader understanding with which it is easy for you to take a decision properly. Right? Then you can decide whether it is really suitable or not. I don't want anybody to just like that take a decision, okay, I'm ready to join. I don't want anybody to join me like this. Until I
So,
complete my demo sessions, I will not take money from anybody. I will tell you to pay or join only after I complete the demo sessions. You will have next week also demo sessions. After that, I will give break for a couple of days. Then I will start probably from 1st August or 2nd August. I will start the regular sessions of batch number 9, so that you have sufficient time to think, decide whether it is suitable or not suitable. Suitable in the sense SAP is suitable, or whether my teaching is suitable to you or not. You can come to a conclusion. Accordingly, you can take any decision. I respect your decision. Whether you join or you don't join, it is okay. I will not follow up, please join, please join. I'll never follow up with anybody. Those who feel, yes, I think here I will learn subject properly, only if you feel you're comfortable, confident, I will tell you to join by making a payment. Else, I will say, okay, thank you so much.
sir,
Because
can I? Hello.
questions, I will give time.
Okay, sir.
Because once we understand different points, then your question will be valid. And those questions let us have in such a way that your questions will help everybody else. Since we are now
Okay.
on the discussion stage, most of the questions, doubts, confusions that you are having will be automatically addressed. If you notice, every session is clarifying different doubts of yours or not.
So not this is not regarding the subject, sir. Actually, I have a request. I'm a working person. I'm not able to join in this time every day. If I miss the class, I can access and see the classes tomorrow. So I get the access right like that.
You will get it. All the demo sessions will be uploaded in the YouTube tomorrow morning. Then once
Sir.
the regular classes is started, after the class, you will get the class recording, which will be valid for 1 year. You will get the recording
Okay, sir.
access for 1 year once the regular classes are started.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So you don't need to worry about it. On the subject point
Thank
of
you,
view,
sir.
you don't need to worry about it. It is my responsibility to make you confident on the subject. All you need to
Thank you,
do
sir.
is
Thank you so much.
put proper effort, then do
Sure.
what I am asking you to do. That's it. If you do it,
Sure.
everything I will take care. Only on the
Sure.
subject point of view. Nothing like if somebody is asking me, give me reference, I will tell sorry. Somebody is asking, help me in clearing my interview, I will tell sorry. If somebody is asking proxy interview, I will tell sorry. Job support, sorry. Backdoor, sorry. I'll not do anything other than giving you subject knowledge. I am ready to tell you 100 times, but I'll not do any other point, not even a single time. If you're not
Sure.
understanding, I will tell you until you understand. But none of the other points I'll do for you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Once we have this subject, you don't need to look for everything. Everything will look for you. It will be the other way around. All right. Fine then. Let me stop for today, and then the remaining portion we will talk tomorrow. From tomorrow onward, we will start discussing about the topics that are there in SAP FICO. We will come in sequence. What are enterprise structure, company code, or GL, AP, AR, and so on. We will be discussing at very high level so that you all will get an idea how SAP is working, what we need to understand, where we need to focus. Tomorrow when you go to the market, what and all you will be questioned. Accordingly, you will decide where you need to focus, how you need to focus. Then it will be easy for you to come to a conclusion. Right?
So till when you have demo classes, sir?
Till next week.
Next week, full week. Okay.
Till next week, yeah. I'll take
Ajay,
approximately 10 to 12 classes. And after that, I'll give a break for a couple of days. Then I'll start the regular sessions. In this gap, you will have to decide whether to continue or not continue. Okay. All right. Fine
Ajay,
then.
can
Let
I
me
ask
Tomorrow
stop
we
the
one?
have a
recording.
class, right?
Tomorrow we have a
Tomorrow we have
class.
a
Yes.
class, right?
We have a
Okay,
class.
thank you.
We don't have class only on Sundays. Monday to Saturday, we will have class every day. Once the regular classes are started, your sessions will go on Monday to Saturday. Sunday, there will be no session. All right. Good night.
Thank you.